Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see the MCQ related with thermodynamics. The first question, which of the following gases are minimum molecular mass? Option A, oxygen. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, hydrogen. Option D, methane. So the correct answer is option C, hydrogen. Next question. According to Avogadro law, the density of any two gases is dash their molecular mass if the gases are in the same temperature and pressure. Option A equal to, option B directly proportional to, option C inversely proportional to, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B directly proportional to. Next question, the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of water through 1 Kelvin is called option A specific heat at constant volume, option B specific heat at constant pressure, option C kilojoule, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A specific heat at constant volume. Next question, the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of dash water through 1 degree is called kilojoule. Option A 1 gram, option B 10 grams, option C 100 gram, option D 1000 gram. The correct answer is option D 1000 grams. Next question, the ratio of specific heat at constant pressure and specific heat at constant volume is always dash 1. Option A equal to, option B less than 1, option C greater than 1, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C greater than 1. Next question, the sum of internal energy U and the product of pressure and volume PV is known as option A work done, option B entropy, option C enthalpy, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C enthalpy. Next question, the ratio of specific heat at the constant pressure Cp and specific heat at the constant volume Cv is option A equal to 1, option B less than 1, option C greater than 1, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C greater than 1. Next question, the gas constant R is equal to the option A sum of two specific heats, option B difference of two specific heats, option C product of two specific heats, option D ratio of two specific heats. The correct answer is option B difference of two specific heats. Next question, when a system changes its state from one equilibrium state to another equilibrium state, then the path of successive state through which the system has passed is known as option A thermodynamic law, option B thermodynamic process, option C thermodynamic cycle, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B thermodynamic process. Next question, the process occurring in the open system which permits the transfer of mass to and from the system are known as option A flow process, option B non-flow process, option C adiabatic process, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A flow process. Next question, the heat energy stored in the gas and used for raising the temperature of the gas is known as option A external energy, option B internal energy, option C kinetic energy, option D molecular energy. The correct answer is option B internal energy. Next question, when a gas is heated at the constant volume, option A its temperature will increase, option B its pressure will increase, option C both temperature and pressure will increase, option D neither temperature nor pressure will increase. The correct answer is option C both temperature and pressure will increase. Next question, the heating of gas at constant volume is governed by option A Boyle's law, option B Charles law, option C Gay-Lussac law, option D Avogadro law. The correct answer is option C Gay-Lucas law. Next question, the heating of gas at constant pressure is governed by option A Boyle's law, option B Charles law, option C Gay-Lussac law, option D Avogadro law. The correct answer is option B Charles law. Next question, when the gas is heated at constant pressure, the heat supplied is utilized in option A increasing the internal energy of gas, option B doing some external work, option D increasing the internal energy of gas and also for doing some external work, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C increasing the internal energy of gas and also doing some external work. Next question, the gas constant R is equal to the dash of two specific heats. Option A sum, option B difference, option C product, option D ratio. The correct answer is option B difference of two specific heats. Next question, when the gas is cooled at the constant pressure, option A its temperature increases but volume decreases, option B its volume increases but temperature decreases, option C both temperature and volume increases, option D both temperature and volume decreases. The correct answer is option D both temperature and volume decreases. Next question, a process in which the gas is heated or expanded in such a way that the product of its pressure and volume remains constant is called option A isothermal process, option B hyperbolic process, option C adiabatic process, option D polytropic process. The correct answer is option B hyperbolic process. Next question, the hyperbolic process is governed by option A Boyle's law, option B Charles law, option C Gay-Lussac law, option D Avogadro law. The correct answer is option A Boyle's law. Next question, the process in which the temperature of the working substance remains constant during its expansion or compression is called option A isothermal process, option B hyperbolic process, option C adiabatic process, option D polytropic process. The correct answer is option A isothermal process. Next question, a process in which the working substance neither receives nor gives out heat to its surrounding during the expansion or compression is called option A isothermal process, option B hyperbolic process, option C adiabatic process, option D polytropic process. The correct answer is option C adiabatic process. Next question, when the expansion or compression takes place according to the law PVN equal to C, the process is known as option A isothermal process, option B adiabatic process, option C hyperbolic process, option D polytropic process. The correct answer is option D polytropic process. Next question, the process is adiabatic if the value of n is in the equation Pvn equal to C is option A 0, option B 1, option C gamma, option D infinity. The correct answer is option C gamma. Next question, when the gas is heated, the change takes place in option A pressure, option B volume, option C temperature, option D all the above. When the gas is heated, changes takes place in both pressure, volume and temperature. So all the above is the correct answer. Again we will see next video. Thank you.